All right, greetings. Week 4, Chapter 9. Some of the challenges to implementing a successful enterprise-wide system consist of justifying that cost. Some of the disruptions due to changes, training, which adds cost, adds overhead, poor system design, and that fails to deliver required results, or that compromises all the time, all the time. There's a compromise whenever one institutes or designs a new system. So you need to plan, minimize downtime, train users, get designers involved with the users and with the executives and with the managers. Work together as a team towards implementing, designing, and as a matter of fact, the very same things that you're writing this week on for that project, post-evaluation paper. Use those processes, use that model. All right, number 3, many small to medium enterprises are implementing ERP systems. They do that to achieve the results and the benefits of having good ERP or enterprise resource planning. In many cases, they will use open source systems because of the incredibly lower cost. But you have a problem. Open source means that you need to have somebody trained well enough to support it, or you're now looking for support from the World Wide Web's network of whoever wants to help you. So that lower cost of ownership can reduce risk. Okay, number 5, CAD, CAE, CAM, we had that in the videos earlier this week. They work together by reducing the amount of human intervention in processes. What does that do? Removes the need for that many more people, makes the product more consistent, makes it easier to use by those that are skilled with the computer-aided function. It delivers consistent, expert quality faster than even a single human can working on a project. All right, Chapter 10. 5 steps that comprise the problem solving. This is this model. This is a decision-making process. Use intelligence, then design it, exercise a choice, implement, and then monitor the decision. This is actually on page 449 of your text, at least the present version of the text. And if it's not there, then those same steps are the ones used to complete your paper for this week, this design. Okay, so those are those steps. And number 2, problems that would benefit from using data from a social networking site. Any behaviors or issues that people talk about. It's pretty broad because people talk about a lot of things. So social events, cultural behaviors, purchases, sportscasts, weather advice, a health alert, just about anything that people want to talk about. So difficulties associated with capturing that data include disproportionate feedback. For example, something just takes off or goes viral. What happens? It goes viral. It has an extremely large following, and it may really not be as important as it seems. So, social sites do not necessarily validate the content published on them. So that means that sometimes people are flying off and addressing all sorts of issues that are really not there, or that may not be accurate. Okay, some key forces in human resources MIS. And again, this was presented as part of this week's audio-video presentation. Employee information to include employment dates, positions, training, certifications, performance, pay, manager, family, that sort of thing. And here's the deal. There is no reason why that hold it, benefit information, exit interview information, skills, certifications, contact points, all of those supplemental packages for HR personnel, right? There's no reason, except for confidentiality, that that cannot be simply entered into a database. And that is why a lot of times when you see something that says, would you like to work here? Go see blah, 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 site, come, fill out an application. Because that's what you're going to do. They'll contact you after the computer fills all the blocks. Okay? All right. Well, enjoy your week. I have enjoyed the week. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye-bye.